Cleaning the toilet is one of the most hated household chores. It is messy, time-consuming, and never really feels finished because stains and buildup return so quickly. That is exactly why so many people are now switching to automatic cleaning solutions. One product that has been getting a lot of attention lately is Happy Toilet Cleaner, a patented device designed to clean your toilet automatically with every single flush. In this review, we will take a deep look at how it works, what makes it different, and whether it is really worth your money. What is Happy Toilet Cleaner? Happy Toilet Cleaner is an automatic toilet cleaning device invented by a licensed master plumber with over 40 years of experience. It is designed to sit inside your toilet tank and work with regular cleaning tablets to keep your toilet bowl clean without any scrubbing. Once installed, it activates cleaning power every time you flush, meaning your toilet is continuously maintained without you needing to lift a brush. Unlike traditional drop-in tablets that sit directly in the tank and slowly destroy internal parts, Happy Toilet Cleaner isolates the tablet inside a special chamber. This allows the cleaning solution to flow only into the bowl where it is needed while protecting your toilet's internal mechanisms from corrosion and damage. The result is a toilet that stays clean all the time with almost no effort from you. How does Happy Toilet Cleaner work? The secret behind Happy Toilet Cleaner is its controlled release system. Instead of letting harsh chemicals dissolve freely inside your tank, the device holds the cleaning tablet inside a separate chamber. When you flush, fresh water flows through the chamber, activating just the right amount of cleaning solution and sending it directly into the toilet bowl. This targeted approach delivers three major benefits. First, it cleans your bowl with every flush, preventing stains and buildup before they can form. Second, it makes your cleaning tablets last much longer because they are released slowly and efficiently. Third, it protects your toilet tank parts from erosion, corrosion, and chemical damage. Traditional drop-in tablets sit against rubber seals, flappers, and valves. Over time, this leads to leaks, malfunctions, and expensive plumbing repairs. Happy Toilet Cleaner completely eliminates that risk by isolating the tablet from the tank components. Once installed, the system runs automatically in the background. There are no buttons to press, no settings to adjust, and no maintenance required beyond replacing the tablet every few weeks. Features and benefits of Happy Toilet Cleaner. One of the biggest benefits of Happy Toilet Cleaner is that it completely eliminates the need for scrubbing. Every flush delivers a fresh dose of cleaning solution into the bowl, preventing stains, mineral buildup, and odor-causing bacteria from taking hold. This means your toilet stays clean all the time instead of only looking good right after you clean it. Another major advantage is that it works with any cleaning tablet brand. Whether you prefer bleach tablets for strong disinfection or eco-friendly tablets for septic systems, Happy Toilet Cleaner is compatible with all of them. You are not locked into buying special refills or proprietary cleaning products. The device also uses up to 75% less cleaning product compared to dropping tablets directly into the tank. Because the release is controlled, tablets dissolve more slowly and last much longer. This saves money over time and reduces waste. Plumbing protection is another key benefit. Tablets placed directly in the tank slowly destroy rubber seals and plastic components. These parts are expensive to replace and often require a plumber. Happy Toilet Cleaner keeps chemicals away from these sensitive parts, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in repair costs. Installation is extremely simple. There are no tools required, no plumbing skills needed, and no complicated setup process. Most users finish installation in 5 to 10 minutes. The device was invented by a licensed master plumber who designed it specifically to solve two problems at once: keeping toilets clean automatically while protecting plumbing systems from chemical damage. It also saves a massive amount of time. The average person spends up to 24 hours per year scrubbing toilets. Happy Toilet Cleaner gives you that time back. Finally, it is backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. You can try it risk-free and return it if you are not satisfied. How to use Happy Toilet Cleaner. Using Happy Toilet Cleaner is extremely simple. First, you open your toilet tank lid. Then you place the Happy Toilet Cleaner device inside the tank according to the included instructions. The device connects to the fill hose and clips securely in place. Once installed, you drop your preferred cleaning tablet into the chamber, close the tank lid, and flush. That is it. From that point forward, every flush automatically activates the cleaning tablet and delivers cleaning solution into your bowl. There is nothing else to do except replace the tablet every 3 to 4 weeks depending on your household usage. There are no batteries, no electronics, and no maintenance required. It is a fully mechanical system designed to last for years. Happy Toilet Cleaner pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of Happy Toilet Cleaner is that it truly eliminates toilet scrubbing. The bowl stays clean continuously, not just after a manual cleaning session. This is a massive convenience upgrade for any household. Another major benefit is plumbing protection. Unlike traditional drop-in tablets that destroy tank components over time, Happy Toilet Cleaner keeps chemicals isolated and prevents costly damage. The device works with any tablet brand, giving you complete freedom to choose your preferred cleaning solution. It also reduces tablet usage significantly, saving money in the long run. Installation is fast and simple. Even people with zero plumbing experience can install it in minutes. It is also an excellent gift idea for elderly parents, busy professionals, rental properties, or anyone who hates cleaning. On the downside, Happy Toilet Cleaner requires you to open the tank for installation, which may be intimidating for some people at first, although the process is very straightforward. It also does not include cleaning tablets, so you will need to purchase your own tablet separately. However, this also gives you freedom to choose the type of tablet you prefer. Another minor limitation is that for extremely heavy hard water staining, you may need to use a stronger tablet initially before switching to regular maintenance tablets. Overall, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, especially for people who want a hands-free toilet cleaning solution. Price and where to buy Happy Toilet Cleaner is available exclusively through its official website. It is not sold on Amazon, eBay, or in retail stores. The standard single unit is priced at $24.99 plus shipping. Bundle offers provide significant savings, including a buy two, get one free package and a buy three, get two free package with free shipping. All purchases are backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Orders ship within 24 to 48 hours and typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. International shipping is also available. To ensure authenticity and warranty coverage, it is strongly recommended to purchase only through the official website. Conclusion. If you are tired of scrubbing your toilet, dealing with stains, and wasting money on cleaning products that barely last, Happy Toilet Cleaner offers a simple and intelligent solution. With automatic cleaning on every flush, protection for your plumbing, and compatibility with any tablet brand, it turns your toilet into a self-cleaning system. Backed by a 90-day guarantee and designed by a licensed master plumber, Happy Toilet Cleaner is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your home. Install it once and enjoy a spotless toilet without lifting a brush again.